Hey, so I just wanted to share some results with you today. Today is 6/27, 2022, 11:44 p.m. So today, here was my first sale. Came in at 5:49 a.m. And it was of $100, and this is part of the $100 a month, right? And then after that, here's another one. The other one that came in was it was at 2:25 p.m. today. Here was not this one. Okay, so it's in here. Okay, so here it goes. It was $20, and then $400, and then I'm not sure where the $100 is, but it was $520 today. Right, so it is possible to make money, and I'm going to tell you exactly how this works. So when you have content like a video or anything like that on YouTube, then you need a link in the description. This is like the doors to your business. It allows people to actually put in their name and their email, and they go to a sales page, which actually has a video that does all of the explaining for you, and you don't really have to do too much. And even if they don't buy, then they get a series of follow-up emails which actually talk about you and talk about what you're doing and allow people to get to know who you are, right? Because people won't buy from people that they don't know, they don't like, or they don't trust, right? So that's what this allows you to do. It allows you to build an email list, and you're going to actually learn different things about the funnel builder. So normally you would watch a video like this if you were on a sales page, and you would get started with a button like that, right? And you're going to learn how to set it up, how to get in contact with us so you're not left alone, and you're going to learn how to launch your business in 3 simple steps online. And then you're going to learn about the builder itself. You're going to learn how to set up your domain with your autoresponder, which is really important in this process. And then you're going to learn about free methods of, creating a page, how the funnel builder works, and you're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to create pixels. You're going to learn how to do pop-ups. You're going to learn how to do membership sites, upsells and downsells. You're going to learn different things like how to book your appointments, how to do graphics. You'll learn all this stuff within here. And the cool thing about this right here, it's a funnel builder tool, which everybody needs. It's only $25 a month. It gives you a $20 a month commission. And a lot of times people upgrade to the traffic and conversions portion. Now in the traffic and conversions portion, you get $100 a month, and it teaches you all about traffic. So the stuff you need to know before traffic, who your target market is, the bigger picture marketing, and all of that stuff right there. And then you're going to learn about free traffic methods. The free traffic methods are launching your business, 3 simple steps to invite, follow up, unlimited leads on Facebook, simple ways to get leads on Facebook, blogging for business, YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos on the top of the search engines, how to podcast, how to create your own website, and everything like that. You're going to learn how to do lives the right way on Facebook, right? So this is very, very powerful, and these tools are really powerful, and I'd highly suggest using them to build your business. It also has a high value training bonus. You're going to learn a bunch of stuff about, training and all that stuff. So it's really, really cool. And then there's done for you funnels. So you could just come in here, plug and play, and don't have to worry about it too much. You just got to set them up, right? And then there's a financial literacy academy, so the financial literacy academy teaches you about finances and what to do in certain situations. Hey, so you want to make money online and you want to know exactly how to do it. Well, that's good because I want to share with you exactly how I made $620, yesterday from this opportunity. I had a $620 day from this opportunity. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of it, right? And it wasn't until I took my business online that I started to get results, and I set up systems in place to be able to, help me to build my business. Now I'm going to show you this right now. Today is 6/28/2022. The time is 5:50 a.m. in the morning, and I just want to show you these sales right here. So two came in at on the 27th, which was yesterday, and we had our premium mastermind call by Zoom yesterday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. We have it every Monday by Zoom. So that's one good thing about this community, is we have live calls face to face by Zoom, so people could get on and get their questions answered. And we also share tips, tricks, and strategies of what we're doing to build our business online. So that's really cool. But I want to show you these results. So somebody came in, and this was a sale for $100, and it's a rebill. So that's what happened yesterday. That was $100, and then here was the other ones, which this was a 20, and these are monthly. And then somebody upgraded to the $400 product, right? So this is a one-time buy. This is for a Financial Literacy Academy, and it's a one-time buy. And then that's what you'll notice, right? So so I don't know where the other $100 is, but here's the $400 right here. So I had over a $500 day yesterday, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I did that. So basically, when you're building out anything online, you need a store, right? You need doors. You need a place for people to come through at. Online, we use a funnel builder. When you use a sales funnel, it allows you to retain email contacts. And so they come to this page either by paid methods of advertising, which is probably how you got onto my list if you're on my list, or you might have seen this video from YouTube, and you might have clicked on a link in the description and was able to get on my list. But we use sales funnels just like the one you're seeing right now in order to capture contact information, build up an email list, and build a relationship with people so they know, like, and trust you, and they know who you are, right? People aren't going to buy from somebody that they don't know. They don't have any idea who they are, right? So something like this allows you to actually build up an email list to where you could actually build a relationship with people, right? And I'm going to show you exactly how this works right now. So the funnel builder tool is what's going to allow you to actually learn marketing. So here's how it works. So as soon as they put in their email right here, it's going to normally take them to a video that looks like this. They're going to watch the video, then they could actually buy by clicking on this button right here. Not this button particularly, but that's how it works. They could buy within the funnel. So basically, if you have paid advertising running, or you have videos out there and people watching your videos, it works for you 24 hours a day, and that's how you're able to make money. Now you just need a good offer. I always like doing a higher ticket offer, because higher ticket, it means more commissions for less work, but it has to be a value, right? You can't sell high ticket stuff if it's garbage and trash, but you always want to make the best out of whatever you're selling and give people the best you can, give people quality, let them know that you're there for them, because they always want support, and you always want to support the people that sign up with you, and everything like that. So here's what this funnel builder is. So basically, you would get in here, you would watch these 3 videos first, then you would learn how to build any business online, and you would get into the Facebook, community, right? Then when you do that, you would set up your page builder, which means you need a domain name. Then you need to connect it to the autoresponder to do the email follow-up, because the autoresponder is going to retain and house your contacts. Then you're going to go through the training. You're going to learn how to create your pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You're going to learn how to do a tracking pixel. You're going to learn how to do, exit pops. So that's when people come into your funnel, and if they try to leave, they'll get a pop-up message saying, no, wait, we have more that you didn't see. Then they'll keep them within the funnel. You're going to learn how to do things like a membership site, an upsell, or a downsell. So that basically means if they would buy within this page, it would sell them to something else of value, kind of like coaching, or it would give them a downsell, which is something of lesser value or lesser price, but the same amount of value. That's how it normally works. And it's early in the morning, so forgive me if I make mistakes on this video. And then there's also training. So you're going to learn all this stuff in here for this funnel builder, and it's going to allow you to build your business. This whole tool, this whole community offers 80% commissions. So it's only $25 a month to sign up for this, and you get a $20 a month commission for anybody who uses these tools. So you're going to learn marketing using these tools, and you're going to get paid. And you're going to get paid a nice commission as well. I wanted more, so I wanted to learn about traffic and conversions. So I upgraded to the traffic and conversions portion of this. The traffic and conversions portion, it's going to allow you to actually make those $100 a month commission. So you're going to be making $120 per month per sign up. The traffic and conversions portion of this is going to teach you about how to get traffic through free ways, and then you're going to learn how to also use paid methods to get traffic. So you're going to learn how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up with people. You're going to learn about blogging, how to rank your videos on YouTube, podcasting like a radio show, and then you're going to learn about social media like LinkedIn, Facebook methods, and then you're going to learn about how to do lives the right way, and then you'll learn how to actually launch a product. So you'll learn how to do a launch, which is a presentation that gives value on the front end and sells on the back end, right? It's kind of like how I do videos. I give people information on the front end, and if they want to get started with me, they could definitely do that, and it would help them to build their business online, right? And I would be there to support them. So that's what they get as a benefit for signing up and joining with me, right? And then there's also paid methods. So the paid methods are going to be text messaging, solo ad training, which is a one-time email that goes out to a marketer's list. So people go from their list to your list. So it has to be a good marketer, somebody that knows how to run traffic, how to get traffic, and they pay for their traffic to get onto the list. So you got to make sure that they're actually doing, quality traffic and everything like that. And then you're going to learn about Facebook ads. You're going to learn about Facebook video ads as well. Then you're going to learn about conversions, how to convert your people, and how to onboard them the right way when they get started so they don't get lost and they know exactly what they're doing. Right, so you're going to learn all this stuff. Then we have the live coaching. We have the Monday Night Mastermind, which was the video that I showed you earlier, the email that I showed you earlier about the mastermind call. Every week they bring on people live by Zoom that are getting results, and they have them share what they're doing in their business to build and grow their business. They actually told me yesterday that they were going to have me come back real soon to actually speak. So that's a really cool thing. And then there's a daily, Grow Rich call, which is it's daily on mindset. So it'll help you to be able to, get your mind right, get your mind in the money making, mentality and success mentality early in the morning. And then there's a Take Action Mastermind, which is daily, and it shows you exactly what they're doing in their business to get results over the shoulder by live Zoom calls. And so you have access to that kind of support, and you could actually, get in there and start getting your questions answered, get support immediately, which is really cool. Then there's done for you trainings and also done for you funnels. So you could come in here and you could set up a funnel and get started immediately. Then the last product that there is a financial, literacy academy, which is why you're seeing the $400 commission. And this allows you, this is a one-time fee, and it allows you to actually learn about how to file your taxes in business, how to eliminate debt, and then you're going to learn, exactly how to, keep your records for your business, how to manage your business, and then when you start making money, you have to invest your money so that way it's not taking taxes. So you're going to learn how to save in taxes and invest in property with this course. It's a one-time buy and you get a $400 commission like you've seen me get. I would highly suggest that if you really want to make money online and you're serious about it, to go all in, because that's how you're going to make the most amount of money in the fastest way possible, and it converts very well with paid advertising. If you're using paid advertising, you could just scale up and it's going to convert very well for you. You're going to have to learn marketing, but you're going to be able to learn a lot of marketing within this platform. So, if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually help you to set all of this up. I'm going to help you to actually, get traffic, and you're going to have access to me and also our community to answer questions when you have questions, and I will help you to start, getting results. All you have to do is reach out, and I'm here. I just created a private, group for our members that actually joined the team, so you'll be a part of that. And make sure you also, click on the link below this video and get into the free Facebook group, which I give a lot of value and everything like that, and it's free to get into. So get into that group. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And, again, click on that link below this video to get started today, or the link within the email that you get. All right, I'll talk to you soon, and bye for now.